Please clap for him again. So, Your Excellency, thank you for gracing us with your presence today. So in this session, I'm going to start off by asking you a few questions, then I'll open the floor to questions from the audience, if that's okay with you.
No. Because nobody told me that there would be questions. The last time I was in an exam is a long time. Anyway, let's try.
Hopefully, since you're in an institution that values knowledge and wisdom,
yes,
you got this.
Okay.
We believe in you.
Okay.
So thank you. So we're going to start off with a very simple question. Okay? So Your Excellency, as a father and as a leader, what advice would you offer these young men and women as they prepare to build a better future for Africa?
Well, that's a good one. Yeah. This is what I like the most.
Okay.
To mentor people and to encourage them to do the right thing.
Okay.
So you guys, I have explained to you as younger members of our society that I have given you a picture of what the future looks like. And it depends on you and what you do with the time you have and with the opportunities that you have. You're privileged that you've come this far in matters education. Many don't get the opportunity that you have got. And therefore, make use of the opportunity that you have in this great institution and know that you're doing this for you, but also for the greater good of this continent and humanity. And you need to understand that each and every one of us has a responsibility that goes beyond what you get at a personal level. It's not about money. It's not about a good job. All that is necessary and it is important, but it's about what the contribution you can make to humanity. It is good to do this, get a good degree, get a good job, and earn some good money.